Hello everyone, welcome back to Olive Board. With NABARD Phase 2 coming to end, many of the students have also given their reviews, watched different exam analysis, and now all of you, all the students who have given Phase 1 exam, you would be knowing that are you really clearing the Phase 1 or not. And this brings to the next stage of NABARD Grade A selection, that is your Phase 2. और अगर हम Phase 2 की बात कर रहे हैं, अगर हम ये सोच रहे हैं कि भाई मेरा फेज 1 निकल जाएगा क्योंकि मेरिट सेक्शन में मुझे 40 प्लस या 45 प्लस मार्क्स मिल रहे हैं, इफ यू आर दैट कॉन्फिडेंट, then guys, I have a very good news for you that we are launching NABARD Grade A 2023 Phase 2 Crash Course. Now this crash course is not just ordinarily, okay? I know apart from static courses, whatever you learn in your static classes, this particular course has been framed in such a way, ये इस तरह से बनाया गया है that there are 40 plus live classes for ESI, ARD as well as English, because as you all know, in Phase 1 two papers are there, paper 1 and paper 2. Paper 1 consists of only English language, which includes essay writing, pressy writing and letter writing. When it comes to Phase 2, Phase 2 is all about ESI and ARD, that is the subjective parts, okay? In this, 30 objective questions are there, but the difficulty is more than the Phase 1 exam. And along with that, again, 50 marks descriptive answer writing is there, where you would be given 6 questions, out of which you have to write 4 questions. 3 questions from ESI, you have to write any 2. 3 questions from ARD, you have to write any 2. Now the point is what we are giving in this course specifically. You have been given 40 plus live classes for ESI, ARD as well as English. Now these live classes are not ordinary. We are not just teaching you again static. That we have already done in Phase 1. We have already done in Phase 1 crash course also. Here it includes 5 plus static classes. Apart from that, even objective practice classes with teachers, where faculties have framed a very difficulty level, or maybe questions or objective questions of with high difficulty, okay? These questions would be solved on real-time basis along with the students, and faculties will give their explanation of the same questions, okay? In each session, you can expect almost 30 questions from each subject to be solved, okay? So from ARD 30 questions, ESI 30 questions, as in main exam 15 will come from ESI, 15 will come from ARD. After objective part, let's talk about descriptive. Descriptive answer writing also classes are there. एंड आंसर राइटिंग इज नॉट जस्ट रैंडम. आपके लिए आंसर राइटिंग रैंडम नहीं होगा, जैसे कि क्वेश्चन पेपर दे दिया आपको, 2-3 क्वेश्चन दे दिया और बस आंसर लिखने बोल दिया. नहीं, हम ये नहीं करने वाले. रादर वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट अ सीरीज ऑफ हाउ टू राइट अ आंसर. सो आर्ट ऑफ आंसर राइटिंग, आंसर कैसे लिखते हैं, व्हाट आर द डिफरेंट वेज ऑफ आंसर राइटिंग, व्हाट इज द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ आंसर राइटिंग, व्हाट इज अ गुड आंसर, एंड हाउ टू डिफरेंशिएट बिटवीन अ गुड एंड अ बेटर आंसर, बिकॉज नो एनी आंसर इज बैड एंड नीदर एनी आंसर इज बेस्ट. The all difference between the selection is between a good and better answer. Am I right? So these also practice we are going to do in this live classes. Apart from that, for all the students who feel that I'm still weak in maybe ESI, ARD, for all those 70 plus video sessions are there based on concepts, recorded also, live also. Revision notes for both the subjects would be provided. Even short notes would be provided for PIB schemes and reports too. Apart from that, now comes the main deal. As you would be knowing the high quality mock tests from Olive Board, you are getting 20 Phase 2 objective test and 10 Phase 2 descriptive test for both the sections, paper 1 as well as paper 2. What do you mean by that? For ESI, ARD also you will be getting tests descriptive, as well as English also you will be getting descriptive test. This was all about the course, okay? Along with me would be Lakshmi ma'am. She'll take your ESI all objective answer writing, also how to write answer classes, as well as apart from this also additional sessions per week have been added, which are orientation classes, mentorship classes, and also to make students realize that Phase 2 preparation of NABARD is quite really little bit different. So providing them strategy so that your selection is assured, okay? So me and Lakshmi ma'am would be there with you, okay? Apart from that, let me now share the schedule with you. Overall schedule, if you see, okay guys, this is our schedule of NABARD Phase 2, okay, 2023. From 19 October, we are starting the classes. If you see 6 p.m. first class is of NABARD Phase 2. What is NABARD Phase 2? I will take it, and the class, if you see this particular class, it is of group orientation. It's of group orientation session. Here I will make you realize that how phase 2 it's quite different from phase 1. So first class is of group orientation. Then we will start with ARD static, in which we will take some important, in each ARD static we will take 2 to 3 whatever topics are there, chapters are there. From that we will take important concepts which will be coming specially for NABARD phase 2. For example, just I'll give you an overview. Suppose we take animal husbandry. We all know in context of animal husbandry, breeds of the animals, okay, their shelter spacing of each of the animals, from cattle, the poultry, pigs, sheep and goat, all these we will be covering in the one section only. Similarly, we all know ARD static, forestry, very important chapter. At the same time, we will cover forestry also. Once forestry is done, we will also take along with that other important chapter, that is fisheries. Yes, we have to do that. So in a one class, we will be taking multiple chapters, but only selective topics of those important chapters, such that we will revise them and we will cover them if any question comes in depth, because in phase 2, expect a question which is full depth in the phase 2 of 2023. नॉर्मल क्वेश्चंस विल नॉट बी कमिंग, बेसिक ऊपर ऊपर के क्वेश्चंस नहीं पूछे जाएंगे, फुल डेप्थ में क्वेश्चन होंगे. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट अगर मैं बात करूं तो 19 से लेके क्लासेस आप देख सकते हो, दीज हैव बीन कंटिन्यूअसली केप्ट. ओके, अगर हम देखें ओवरऑल क्लासेस लेक्चर्स के बारे में, तो एक बार लेक्चर्स देखते हैं. या सो आफ्टर ARD स्टैटिक यू कुड सी ESI ऑब्जेक्टिव, सो जस्ट ऑब्जेक्टिव क्वेश्चंस ऑन ESI. ESI स्टैटिक यहां पर इसलिए नहीं लिया क्योंकि क्वेश्चंस नहीं आते हैं, PIB एंड गवर्नमेंट स्कीम से ही ESI में मेजरली क्वेश्चन आते हैं. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट, if you see PIB current revision, again Lakshmi ma'am would be here to take that. Art of answer writing, if you see here, the first introductory session, it would be that about writing the answers. ESI descriptive, if you talk about, then Lakshmi ma'am will come up. Okay, whatever PIB sessions are there, important government schemes are there, she'll frame some questions and she'll try to give those questions. Mock test, if you see, it would be every Sunday. Okay, every Sunday you will be giving an mock test in this course which we will provide you. Okay, apart from that, next Monday again if we start, then you could see ARD objective again, then ARD static, then PIB current revision, ARD descriptive, art of answer writing, government scheme revision, PIB current revision. Then after almost 10 days we will again, after orientation we will have a mentorship session. In this mentorship session, we will discuss that whatever classes have gone, do you have any doubts in them? How to see the next 10 to 15 days in your preparation? What could be the strategy? Okay, what are your mock scores and what is your growth trajectory? These things we will discuss in the mentorship group. Other than that, essay writing practice will start from the almost 10 days. We will start our essay writing practice. Then ARD static, ESI objective, again answer writing practice. We will also take specifically Prezi writing practice also. If you see Prezi writing practice, we will again take letter writing practice also. We will take ESI objective, PIB current revision as well as ESI descriptive also. Overall, if you see, this is the whole timetable. Okay, whatever details of the timetable are there, those would be shared on our website also. Okay, in the same manner. And apart from that, already I told you, this makes whatever all these classes are there, these are live. Okay, these are not recorded, these are live. Here even the timing of the each class has been given here. Major of the classes are after 6 to 7 p.m. because major of our students, if you see, as considering working students also, we have kept the time which is after 6. Then if you see again art of answer writing, where essay writing practice we will take a lot. So we will have multiple sessions on essay writing. Why we will have those? It's simple. We'll have multiple essay writing because essay is very difficult to write. Okay, and though we sometimes take it for granted, but I think that we should give some stipulated time for essay. Prezi writing and letter writing, everybody gets an almost average marks, and in English it is very, very important that you get almost more than 60% to 70% more marks. If you get above 60 to 70% in any of your English paper or any exam, you may say NABARD, RBI, then only it is very high chance that you can even score and even be a ranker in NABARD exam. Okay, so it is a must. आपको 60 to 70% के ऊपर मार्क्स लेने ही होंगे इंग्लिश में, और इसीलिए ऐसे राइटिंग, प्रेसी राइटिंग सेपरेटली यहाँ पर प्रैक्टिस कराई जाएगी. The practice would not be like आपको क्वेश्चन दे दिया and just let you to solve the question. No. What we will do is that the faculties will take the question and then they will explain you in detail how to write a specific essay and then even give you a model answers of some topics of essay. Then if we talk about live test of ESI and ARD as well as ARD static classes, live test of English also is going to happen. So what is this live test about? Simple. All the students will join the class. They would be given some question. I will explain you all the questions and then you will write the answers. As you will write the answers within 15 to within maybe half an hour or 1 hour, you will write the answers. You will send those to a specific group. From that, we will randomly take 1 or 2 answers of every student. Okay, from all the questions they have written, of each student we will take one answer and we will analyze on real time basis so that you all understand that yes, this is somewhat my mistake. This is my mistake. I shouldn't be writing such question. Okay, I did mistake in this particular answer. इस तरह से हम इसका analysis करना चाहेंगे. So whatever these live tests are there, these live tests would be taken by faculties here itself as it would be on real time basis. I hope that you are getting it. And then if the exam happens within 30 to 40 days as expected, up till now no dates are there from NABARD, we will keep the timetable till here, okay, which is almost, you could see almost more than 40 classes are there, but and more than 50 classes are there actually, because per day also double classes are there. But if you see, if NABARD date is there, if it extends, we will continue these classes and we will repeat these live tests for you. Okay, so this was all about the course. I hope that you get an idea here. So overall, as I told you, it starts on 19th of October. Okay, so now is the chance. Please go on our portal. Okay, go on our website. You can even download the app and you can actually subscribe it if you are confident enough that this time you are clearing phase 1. Okay, अगर आपको लग रहा है कि phase 1 clear हो रहा है, तो I am again warning you, do not waste even a second. अगर seconds भी में अगर आप waste कर रहे हो, तो आप सबसे बड़ी गलती कर रहे हो. You have to start your preparation now only for phase 2 exam because NABARD has not given the date. It may be after 30 days, it may be even after 20 days. Okay, so that is very, very important and we can expect a date after within some few days only. Okay, so that's what all the course highlight was about. This specific crash course, as I told you, it is not based on the general theory of crash courses. Generally crash course को हम क्या सोचते, just revision करने के लिए नहीं, लेकिन ये specific NABARD का phase 2 वाला crash course आपको revision कराने के लिए नहीं है, rather to make you prepare. इतनी सारी चीजें, इतने सारे features, I don't think even a full-fledged phase 2 course would be giving. Okay, so thank you and see you next time.